Well, I opened the shop this morning. There's a hummingbird sitting on the floor. And you could tell he'd been locked in the shop where it was hot. So I got him, and I've been giving him some water. I need to give him some sugar water, but I don't have any. So I give him some water until he didn't want to drink no more. Now I'm going to put him in this cedar tree, and hopefully he will go ahead and just hop up there and be happy. There you go. Go ahead. Alright. Get up there. I don't know if he's gonna make it, but I know he's pretty. And I did give him as much water as he wanted, and he did want some. So I've done all I can do for him. It's like nature's high performance fighter jet right there. Cool. Alright, hummingbird. I've done all I can do. It's up to you. Alright. That's the update for the morning. Oh yeah, and then there's this. I'll be putting the hood and the headlight on this pretty soon and painting it. So that is fans update of the day. I'd like to encourage everybody to go over and watch Cartastrophics' new video about a 420 Yerf dog. It's excellent. And always check out Lonesome's Garage and Dorito and the Lucha Cabre. And look for more ride videos from me pretty soon. And I will see you guys later.